Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning two things. One, sparklines, and second thing, camera option, which is an hidden or you can say a special option. So first and foremost, we'll be seeing what is sparklines. Many a times we see the data and we want a shorter version of the graph next to that data or in the same row. So that is the option that is called as sparklines in Excel. So for this, for example, you have a data here, and for this data, I want a small graph or a small column graph next to that row or in the same row. So for that, I'll be selecting the data on the column which I want the sparklines or the graph. I'll go insert. You can see sparklines. I'll select columns and it will ask the data range. So data range is in this data. So I'll just select and release my mouse and you can see it has already selected the range. I'll just click OK. You can see a column graph has been created. So you have n number of coloring options and you have even the markers, whether you want to put any markers in that, or if you want any low point or you want a last point, etc. You can highlight it, or you want to suddenly change the graph or sparkline, just you can see it in the left hand side line. So it has turned into a line graph. So it is very helpful and you can easily impress with your data and a smarter way to present your data in the same slide without wasting much of your space in your presentation, which is an easy tool and very effective as well. And when you go for line, you can see markers as well, so it reflects the data even more presentable manner, and you can change the shapes and you can change the colors as well. And this is how the sparkline works. So one more option which I was telling about, camera option. So first of all, let's see how the camera option is taken in Excel. So here you can see a camera option. It is nothing but you have to just click on the custom ribbons, more commands. In here, choose command form. You have to select all commands. Just scroll down, you can see camera, or you can type C. You have started to come for calculator, calculate now. So if you keep on scrolling down, you can see camera. Just click add, it will get added, and this then press OK. So you can see camera will get added. So it is nothing but you select the data, click on camera, and you paste it anywhere. You can see an image version of the same data has been generated, which is very useful when you are creating a dashboard of your Excel. And a very good point of it is it is always linked with the data. So for example, let me see, I'll select this 6 cell. You can see the 6 cells data has been selected, and whenever I start typing any data, you can see the same data is getting changed in the image as well. So it's a very fun way to do, and it is a very easy for creating dashboards and very attractive as well. So this is the two options. I hope this session helped you in learning sparklines and hidden option, that is camera, and a special option as well. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.